Welcome to Production Expert. My name's Dan Cooper, and in this video review we're going to be taking a look at this. This is a new sound effects library by UVI called Meteor, and it sounds like this. And that's pretty much what it does, and it does it very well. We've got two main components to this. We've got rise and impact. So let's just mute the impact sound so we can hear just the rise of that sample. And now impact. Very, very cool. Now let me just show you around the GUI and then I'll share some of my thoughts on Meteor later in the video. So this is the main page. Got a very cool graphic in the middle here of a meteor coming towards Earth, I imagine. We've got rise length. So rise at the top here. Change the length of that. Let's put it up to 4 seconds. Let's listen to that sample again. We're going to adjust the offset of the impact down here, shorten the rise. And at the bottom left here, we've got 7 different layers for the whole sound. 3 for the rise, 4 for the impact. And we can engage, bypass each of those layers, solo each of those layers to hear what makes up each part of those rise and impact components. And we can get into more detail here over in the settings. Basically, these faders mirror what's on this main page here, vice versa. But it means we've got control over pan, and it also means that we can change, if we wish, each layer's sample, which is very, very cool. That said, though, there are a lot of presets in this. I can't imagine that you're going to be wanting to make too many of your own sounds because this has a lot in it. We've got an effects section, typical UVI, well thought out. It's got everything that you need. Do like this width control at the bottom here. This is very, very cool. Uber wide to right up the middle mono. Very cool. EQ, delay, reverb. What more do you want? Got a mod section here that we can adjust different settings for rise and impact. Back over on the edit window, we can again bypass and engage either the impact or rise section. Well thought out, everything's where you need it to be. Now we've got this hold setting at the top here. When that's off, the combined sample will stop playing when you release the key. Like so. If you've got hold selected, it's one touch. Whole sample plays. Let's play through some of these presets to give you an idea of how extreme this thing is. All very dramatic, all very epic. So if you're a sound designer, you're going to want to check this out. It's got a lot in it. But how about the music producer? Well, if you disregard the rise section, you can use the impact section as a kick drum library. Let's use this preset as an example. So we've got rise bypassed, only the impact's on. We've got 4 layers for the impacts. Let's have a quick listen. Solo between each of the layers. Could use that, for instance. How about this one? Maybe not. Let's find a different preset, see if we can find a kick that can work. That could work quite well. Let's listen to a layer. Quite nice. Let's bypass the thirds. Very cool. So what's my final thoughts on Meteor by UVI? Well, I've got to be honest, this is the most amount of fun I've had on a Friday in a long time. I don't know what that says about me, but I've got a subwoofer in my studio and playing with this, well, it's epic. My bottom hasn't vibrated this much in a while. I would say this is quite a niche product, but if you're looking for dramatic, epic sounding rises and impacts and things that just go thud in a really massive way, well, you've got to check this out. Give it a go for yourself. Let us know your thoughts about Meteor in the comments below. I hope you guys got something from this. For more information on Meteor, do check out the UVI website. I'm Dan from Production Expert, and I'll see you again soon.